Alright, hello everyone. I'm going to be talking about grid basics for this class today. First, I have format. Format is the outer edges of a page or screen with base grid lines that set the height and width of a layout. So, in this example, this is like a graph chart, graph chart. So formatting really helps like organize the design of like a page or like a poster or something like that. It really like lays out and organizes, like it gives you an idea like where things go, and like sizing everything in, like into portion. So next there's margins. So margins are bands of space that are right, left, top, and bottom of a layout. So here in this receipt, there's margins being used. The left and right one are proportionate to each other, but on the top and the top and the bottom aren't really like as proportionate. But I'm guessing like it's because of like the way like how receipts are. So another way that MLA format is used is when you have to do an essay and you use MLA format and it requires you to use 1-inch margins all around. That's another example of how we use margins in general. Next, there's live, action safe, and title safe area. These three areas act as a safety space within the boundaries of a paper, which is live, or screen, action, and title. So in this example, I used action, an action safe area. Next, there's trimline. Trimline is a printing term that presents the final dimensions of a flat page. So here is the trim line right here. It says the trim line and the graphics and color extend beyond the trim line. So next there's bleed, a portion of a design that extends beyond the trim size. The reason for this is to make sure the design reaches its final size without leaving any white space. So so this is the image right here. This is like the corner of the image, and this is where like I guess like you're sizing the image, so just to make sure there isn't any like white space and just to make sure the diameter of the image is correct. So like in a way you want it, like to customize the size of the image. Columns. The units of a grid that provide useful varieties of framework that determine the size and position of a layout. So, columns come in like not one, 2, 3, 4. In this case, there's quite a few columns. Next is alley. Alley is negative or white space area that are between columns. So the alley is a little bit smaller than the gutter, and I'm going to get to gutter in the next slide. So here, so the gutter is an oversized margin like shown here in the last photo. It's oversized, and like in the last one and in this example also, it's like between it's a margin that's between two facing pages, such as the spine of a book or a newspaper fold. So the gutter here is that little area right there. It's larger than the alley, and it's like it's spacing the columns like apart from each other, so to to go ahead and go on to the next page. And that's it for this presentation. Thank you all for watching.